Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can delete your Paypenny account. In order to do so, let's check in with Cider AI. According to Cider, in order to delete your Paypenny account, follow these steps. First off, you're going to want to open the Paypenny app or visit the website and log into your account. Find and select the option for settings or account settings, usually located in the menu. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled something like close account, delete account, or remove account. Click on the account deletion option. You may need to confirm your identity or provide a reason for leaving. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion of your account. After deleting your account, you should receive a confirmation email or notification. Make sure to withdraw any remaining balance before deleting your account, as it may not be recoverable after deletion. If you cannot find the deletion option or encounter issues, consider contacting Paypenny's customer support for assistance. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on the link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.